Mr. Speaker,
You read from the last sentence at the bottom of page 189 into the first paragraph at page 190. Please read.
Mr. Speaker, I read, like any other leader, Mr. Speaker, this request came to me. Everyone, honorable members, know that Lucy in Wasco would work under like any and many staff who work under the governor's office, where I'm also the deputy to the governor. And so I indicated to Lucy, asking her if they had such kind of jobs, and she said yes. A friend is making a request that he gets his son a job, like everyone of us here would do. And she told me, let us wait for the process, and if he qualifies, we shall not deny him the job, and the discussion ended there.
And apart from having mentioned to Lucy at this point in time, did you make any follow-up on it?
No, Mr. Speaker.
And Lucy said you summoned her to your office on 4th of May. What do you have to say about it?
I'm saying no, Mr. Speaker, I've not summoned Lucy to my office. I have not.
You did not summon her on this
No.
issue? Okay. She said also in her statement, what did she say in her original statement which you encountered at the county assembly when she called you after receiving the sum of 100,000?
Can you come again?
So when you went to the county assembly to defend yourself, Lucy had recorded a statement, isn't it?
Yes.
In that statement, she said she had called you after receiving 100,000. You remember that?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to go to a specific point at which she talks about the purpose of the money. She said she called you. What did she say was your reaction to that issue?
Mr. Speaker, she states verbatim,
yes.
On the morning of 29th May 2023, I called the deputy governor and asked him what the money was.
Which paragraph is that again? Just tell the honorable.
This is on page E7, paragraph 38, honorable senators.
The deputy governor's bundle, sorry. So you've quoted verbatim what she says, and she said, in the morning of 29th, I called the deputy governor and asked him what the money was, but he kept quiet, isn't it?
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
That was her original statement. Then she wrote another affidavit on the 9th of March and said that you told her that the money was in respect to the request for a job for Dennis. You remember that?
I remember, Mr. Speaker.
Do you agree with what she said in the affidavit?
I do not agree with that statement in that affidavit, Mr. Speaker.
Okay. And do you agree with what she said in the statement of 8th of February saying you kept quiet?
Mr. Speaker, I also don't agree that I kept quiet.
And what do you have to say? Do you remember that conversation occurring?
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
And what did you say?
I told her that that money was mistakenly, erroneously sent to her number.
Okay.
And asked her if she can send the money back. Do I continue?
Okay. And so then I would like us to move on then. So you told her it was an error, it was sent to her by error?
Yes, Mr.
It was
Speaker.
meant for?
The same money was intended to go to